Hey, welcome to Conversations with a Therapist podcast. I'm Jennifer Kyalo. I am a counseling psychologist and I am a writer, and I am also the host of this show. My work focuses on breaking down complex psychological concepts into practical and actionable frameworks that you can implement today to build a meaningful life. If that is something that you're interested in, then I highly encourage you to subscribe to this podcast and share the link with at least one person in your contact list. You never know who desperately needs to hear this message today, and you could be the person that connects them to a resource that changes the rest of their life. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any questions about psychology, then send them to the email address in the description box. With that said, let's jump right into today's episode. Hi everyone, it's Jennifer from Conversations with a Therapist podcast, and I have an announcement regarding the cult series that we have been doing for the last 7 episodes. So episode 8 is meant to be about the psychology of a cult leader, so that you understand why cult leaders do the things that they do, why they act the way they do, what motivates them. Episode 9 is supposed to be about how social media makes it very easy for you to get indoctrinated into a cult. And episode 10, which is the final episode, is supposed to be about how to leave a cult. What does life look like after leaving a cult? And how do people actually leave cults? All that information falls under episode 10, which is the final episode. So what we've done is we have converted episode 8, 9, and 10 into blog posts because of some circumstances that will not allow us to record the episodes and release them as a podcast. So I am recording this to tell you to check out the description box and find all the links to the 3 episodes that are remaining. And if you have thoroughly enjoyed this series as I have, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you have learned. Let me know if you have shared this with a friend and if it has opened their eyes. Let me know if this has become a conversation starter in your family, in your friend group, because I think this is important information that needs to be spread out there, that everybody needs to know about this, because cults can be very damaging to a family. They can be very damaging to an individual and to society at large. I have enjoyed doing this series with you, and let me know what other topics you want me to cover in upcoming episodes. In the next episodes, we are going to be talking about an entirely different topic, so stick around for that. I am excited to present to you every new topic that I research, and I can't wait to talk to you about the new topics that I have in mind. Don't forget to check out the description box for the 3 remaining episodes of the cult series. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to listen to this series, tell a friend to subscribe to our channel and our podcast so that they have access to this information as soon as it comes out. I will see you in the next episode. Take care of yourself and take care of your mental health.